Ready to conquer the chaos of breakfast time? We know mornings can be hectic, but starting the day with a nutritious meal is essential for your kids' energy and focus. Let's dive in. Hey parents, are you tired of the morning rush and the struggle to get your kids to eat something healthy before they head off to school? Struggling to whip up healthy breakfasts that your kids will actually eat? We've got you covered. We understand the challenge of balancing nutrition with taste, especially when dealing with picky eaters. Here are 5 quick and nutritious breakfast ideas that will have your kiddos saying, "Yum." These recipes are not only healthy, but also fun and easy to make, ensuring a stress-free morning routine. First up, banana pancake bites. These are a delightful twist on traditional pancakes. Just mash a banana, mix with an egg, and cook mini pancakes. It's that simple. The natural sweetness of the banana means you don't need any added sugar. Easy peasy and packed with protein. These bite-sized pancakes are perfect for little hands and are sure to be a hit with your kids. Next, overnight oats. This is a great make-ahead option that saves you time in the morning. Mix oats, milk, and a dash of honey, then chill overnight. You can prepare several jars at once and have breakfast ready for the whole week. Top with fruits in the morning. Breakfast done. The combination of oats and fruits provides a balanced meal with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Third, smoothie popsicles. These are a fun and refreshing way to get your kids to eat more fruits. Blend yogurt, fruits, and a splash of juice. You can use any combination of fruits your kids like, making it a versatile option. Freeze in molds, and voila! These popsicles are a great way to cool down on a warm morning and are packed with nutrients. Breakfast on a stick. It's a fun twist that makes eating healthy exciting for kids. Fourth, avocado toast faces. This is a creative and interactive breakfast idea. Spread avocado on toast and let your kids create funny faces with veggie toppings. Use cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and bell peppers to make eyes, noses, and mouths. Nutritious and giggle-worthy. This activity not only makes breakfast fun, but also encourages kids to eat their veggies. Lastly, egg muffins. These are perfect for a protein-packed breakfast on the go. Whisk eggs, add veggies, cheese, and bake in a muffin tin. You can customize them with your kids' favorite ingredients. Tasty, portable, and packed with goodness. These muffins can be made ahead and stored in the fridge for a quick breakfast option. There you have it. 5 breakfasts that are quick, nutritious, and kid-approved. Happy mornings, everyone. With these ideas, you can ensure your kids start their day with a smile and the energy they need to tackle their day.